In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for Bitcoin BTC price prediction for 2026. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Using a search engine is the quickest way to get to the right place without typing a full address. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and press enter. You'll see results appear instantly. Next, click the official ChatGPT result. You should land on the chat interface. If you're prompted to sign in or continue, follow the on-screen instructions. Once you're in the chat, you're ready to craft a clear question that focuses on Bitcoin and the time frame you care about. In the message box, type a prompt like, "Give me a Bitcoin price prediction for 2026. Keep the wording simple and direct. That helps the model understand exactly what you want. For a richer, more useful answer, you can include context within that same prompt, such as the kind of output you prefer. For example, you might ask for a price range instead of a single number, a list of key assumptions, historical context, like the impact of past halving cycles, macroeconomic factors to consider, and major risks that could push the price up or down. You can also ask for different scenarios, conservative, base case, and optimistic, so you can see how various assumptions change the outlook. If you care about sources, ask for the reasoning to reference widely cited data or events, keeping in mind that ChatGPT does not browse the web by default. Before you submit, a quick but important reality check. No AI, analyst, or model can guarantee future prices. ChatGPT doesn't have real-time market access and can't see current order books or breaking news unless explicitly connected to live tools. What it can do is synthesize historical patterns, common valuation frameworks, and well-known catalysts into a structured view. Treat the result as an educational scenario analysis, not financial advice. If you want the response to acknowledge uncertainty, include that in the prompt by asking for caveats and confidence levels. Now click Submit. You'll see the response appear. Read it carefully and pay attention to the assumptions, the drivers behind each scenario, and any risks highlighted. If something feels too confident or vague, ask for clarification right in the same chat by requesting the model to expand on the reasoning or to show the sensitivity of the prediction to changes in factors like adoption, regulation, or liquidity. That's it. By using a precise prompt and focusing on assumptions, you'll get a thoughtful, structured view of Bitcoin's possible paths in 2026, and you'll understand what would need to happen for each scenario to play out.